Welcome to Vector Search in Cassandra. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the fundamentals of Cassandra and its suitability for vector search applications, and describe how to store, index, and perform vector searches in Cassandra for tasks such as text similarity analysis and image classification. Imagine yourself as an e-commerce business owner aiming to build an AI-powered recommendation system using Cassandra. With Cassandra 5.0's vector search, you can effectively align customer preferences with similar products in your inventory. For instance, if your customer likes a particular style of shoes, this advanced system can quickly match similar items and elevate your customer shopping experience. Let's explore the steps for implementing Cassandra's vector search. First, create a vector key space and table. Then, create a vector index and load vector data. Finally, execute vector search queries. Let's explore the first step, creating a vector key space and table in detail. Use Cassandra Query Language, or CQL, to create a key space, specifically for your vector search data. Now, define a table with a column designated for storing vector data using the new vector data type. This script defines a table named Product Embeddings within the vector search key space. Here, Product ID is the primary key for efficient data retrieval. The data type vector introduces a new column named Embedding, where you'll store the vector representations of your product data. The next step includes creating a vector index. This code defines an index named Product Embedding Index on the Embedding column of the Product Embeddings table. After defining the index, the Storage Attached Secondary Index, or SAS index from Cassandra's Storage Attached Indexing Framework, handles the vector similarity searches. The next step includes loading vector data. As a first step, prepare your product data before loading vector data. Then, vector embeddings are generated using appropriate machine learning models. These models typically encode textual descriptions, images, or other data into vectors that capture semantic similarity. Once you have the embeddings, use CQL to insert them into the embedding column of your Cassandra table using the code displayed on the screen. The next step is executing vector search queries. Use the index created and perform similarity searches. CQL offers operators that cater to exact matches and similarity searches using the following. Equals operator. This function retrieves rows with vectors that match the query vector. Greater than or equal to the operator is a function that returns rows with vectors most similar to the query vector, exceeding the specified similarity threshold. Did you know Cassandra 5.0's vector data type stores high-dimensional floating point vectors? These vectors represent the semantic meanings or relationships with the data and facilitate efficient similarity search. Let's explore the applications of Cassandra's vector search. It finds applications in customer service chatbots by improving chatbot responses by retrieving the most relevant knowledge base articles based on user queries. Cassandra's vector search helps identify potential fraudulent transactions using vector representations. Finally, Cassandra's vector search detects anomalous events or data points that deviate significantly from typical patterns represented by vectors. In this video, you learned that Cassandra 5.0's vector search effectively aligns customer preferences with similar products. Implementing Cassandra's vector search includes creating vector key space and table, creating a vector index, loading vector data, and executing vector search queries. Cassandra's vector search finds applications in recommender systems, SEO image and video similarity search, customer service chatbots, fraud detection, and anomaly detection.